Welcome to the Seventh Art Attack.
Hi kids. Yeah, so today we are gonna see a snow volcano. If you're wondering what a snow volcano is, we're just gonna do the volcano experiment using snow. This is one model which Devansh did in his kindergarten. It's just a regular volcano diagram. But we are gonna show this eruption in the snow, for which we are gonna take simple stuff: the baking soda, vinegar, and some food coloring.
Yes.
Of course, we need a tray of snow to make the volcano setup. So let's begin. So here in the two glasses, I have baking soda in both these cups. The kids are going to put few drops of food coloring in it, so you can see the difference in volcano. Can you add just 2-3 drops? Should do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops.
Put it in this cup. 1, 2, 3,
5.
That should do similar. Yeah, and we are going to mix the baking soda and the food coloring mixture in the cup.
What's that to mix it up?
The kids like to use a stick here, so we are using a toothpick. Are you having fun?
Yes. Mine is coming out more smooth. Mine is also coming out.
Good job, kids. So I think we are ready with the baking soda powder mixture. So the next step would be to build a mountain heap with the snow of tray that we have. So do you want to build a volcano? Go ahead and build it now. Yeah. Hi kids, so now we are going to do the final step. So here Devansh and Simran have built their individual volcano with baking soda and food coloring mixture in those cups. We are going to pour vinegar into that cup and see the reaction that will create a snow volcano effect. So let's do it. Yeah. Okay, that should do.
And look at that volcano how it's become. Yeah, look at the volcano.
Was it fun to have this volcano lava?
Yeah.
The floor is no more lava, the snow is lava.
But now, the floor is lava again! Ah! Oh, the volcano is lava! Ah! Please subscribe! Thanks for watching Art Attack. Hope you like the snow. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like.